Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to secure your Gmail messages. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So here you can see a little message I have added here. So I want to make this email secure, so click on this little icon here, and from here we can see confidential mode. Recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download the email. Expiration, so from here I'm going to select expire in 1 day, and require passcode. You can select a passcode. All passcodes will be generated by Google, so you can select a passcode to make the email secure and click on save. So this was how we can make our Gmail messages secure. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.